Some people think the birth of the Buddha happens easily, which is not true. The Lotus Sutra says, all the Buddhas appear in worlds far away and are difficult to meet. Even if they appear in this world, it is difficult to hear their teaching. Even in immeasurable, innumerable kalpas, it is difficult to hear this Dharma, and those who are able to hear this Dharma. Buddhas are also hard to find. The commentary of the Mahāparinirvāṇa Sutra says, first, it is difficult that a Buddha appears. Second, it is difficult to obtain a human form, a great kalpa in which Buddhas appear in. The world is called a bright kalpa, whereas a kalpa in which a Buddha does not appear is called a dark kalpa. In total, there were 5 bright kalpas and 1,400 dark kalpas. Although many Buddhas appeared during the bright kalpas, not a single Buddha was born during the many dark kalpas. Imagine the extremely large number of lifetimes beings had to endure without encountering the Dharma when they were born in a dark kalpa. Therefore, it's indeed very precious that we have a human form during a bright kalpa.